Well, there goes the hinge. Quite a cloud, isn't it? Like rusty snow.
Look at that. Impossible. It's a truck.
And it's covered in coral. Hold the line steady. Setting it down. Clear the cables. Pull her straight. Keep it coming slow. Tension set. Coming in. Keep it steady. Tighten those forward lines. Ropes are secure now, Captain. Head for the port. We've got a sunset to catch. Let's head in. Keep it steady. Watch the starboard lines. Slowly now, slowly. She's down. Secure the front.
The depth of the rust indicates at least 20 years under. We need to handle this carefully.
God, this thing is heavy.
Mine too.
Watch out for the smell.
Too late.
All right, careful with this. Steady, easy. Watch the edges. It's in, good job. Engaging the lift. Slow and steady. Watch that cable, move back. Clear the deck, we've got movement. Keep it steady, watch for the drop. Hold it. Clear the trolley. Got it. The sludge is flowing smoothly. Keep it steady. Closing the valve now. Clear.
Clear.
Ready to lift. Keep the tension on the bar. Right, here it comes. Harder now. Push down. Got it. Line it up, right there. Keep it steady. Looks good. Secure it. Keep it steady. Watch for the drop. Hold it. Clear the trolley. Got it. The sludge is flowing smoothly. Keep it steady. Closing the valve now. Clear.
Clear.
Ready to lift. Keep it steady there. Just a little deeper. We're almost done with this tank. Keep it steady there. Just a little deeper. We're almost done with this tank. Okay, here we go. First pass on the grill. Looks like it's taken off the heavy stuff. Careful with the angle. Make sure to get under the logo. Got it. See the silver coming through? Perfect. Pure steel.
Keep it steady. Good contact. Yeah, that's holding well. Almost done with this patch. All right, let's pull this one. Coming out nicely. Next one up.
Keep it thin here. Looking good. Mind the edge. Feels good and dry now. Nice. We're ready for the next stage.